Happy holidays! It is that time of year. I am here to share another recipe with you. Quick, easy, and sure to be a crowd pleaser. Who here loves eggnog? I have always had a soft spot for eggnog. However, since going vegan, I have yet to find a store-bought one that I like. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and create my own recipe, and it is delicious. Again, it is super simple, quick, easy, and very minimal ingredients. You can whip it up in just a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that recipe with you. Let's go ahead and dive on in. All right, so to the blender, I'm gonna add a cup of soaked cashews, 2 cups of nut milk, whatever kind you want. I have almond milk. So the type of milk that you use doesn't really matter. We do unsweetened in our family. We don't like using added sugars, but feel free to use whichever one you enjoy. But then when I add the water in, I put the water in the milk container so that I get all of the milk from inside the carton. So a cup of water. Next, I'm going to add 8 dates. Make sure they are pitted. You're just gonna throw them right in. Next, we're doing nutmeg. You don't need a lot, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And then we have cinnamon. This one's about 1/2 teaspoon. And then vanilla extract, or we use this vanilla powder. It's equal parts, so whatever kind of vanilla you'd like, about a teaspoon. All right, now we're just gonna throw the lid on and blend it. Here we go. So simple. You just blend it until it's smooth, and voila. If you prefer it cold, you can refrigerate it before you drink it, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste test. Wow, that is so good. All the flavors of holiday, man. This is nostalgic. This is amazing. Delicious, and again, so simple. You saw it. It's like less than a minute to throw it together. Wow, you have got to serve this at your holiday parties. You will win people over. They will be mind blown that this is non-dairy eggnog. That is it for today's video, my friend. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you think it's as delicious as I do. I love this recipe, and I love even more that it is so quick, simple, and takes hardly any ingredients. What more could you ask for? I would love to know what your favorite holiday drink is. Leave me a comment and let me know. Maybe I'll try to veganize it or give it a try. But until next time, I hope you stay happy, stay healthy, enjoy the holidays, and have a very blessed one. Bye.